Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows build and whether you're on 64-bit. Some live wallpaper tools require it. Download and run the installer for a trusted live wallpaper app, then choose a standard install path. When prompted, accept permissions and enable any optional graphics or media codecs. This ensures smooth playback. Once done, restart the app and sign in or create a local profile if required so the app can manage wallpapers across displays. Now import your media. Click Import or Browse and pick an MP4, GIF, WebM, or a packaged wallpaper. Once added, assign it to the primary or specific monitors and select playback options like Loop, Start on Boot, and Mute Audio if you prefer. Make sure to adjust performance settings, frame cap, resolution scale, and GPU priority, so the animation looks good without stuttering. If you have multiple displays, preview each one and fine-tune positions, and finish by enabling Start with Windows and saving your wallpaper profile. That ensures the live wallpaper returns after reboots. Make sure power settings allow background apps to run, and test on battery to confirm acceptable performance. If things go wrong, lags, black screen, or no animation, restart the Wallpaper app or Windows Explorer first, then lower resolution or frame cap. That usually fixes resource conflicts. If still broken, update GPU drivers and reinstall the app, which resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.